and that's about the same. Okay, so we know that's not working like that. I mean, it is, but it's not fast. Fast. Look up there, you. So what I want to try is going directly without the splitter. Okay, this is without the splitter now. Okay, so now we know that splitter is slowing things down a lot. Because we have 225.2 going up, I mean going down, and 20.3 going up. So that splitter is not good for the laptop. I mean, it's just not gonna work out, which is okay. It was just something I wanted to try. But I might be able to still use it with the cameras. Yeah, I'll try it with the cameras and see how that works. That lady's gonna have a heart attack screaming for that dog. Sorry about that. Nothing I can do about it. Let's see. Now is when I wish I had my son here to climb back there and grab those camera bases and hook them up, because I'm pretty sure that since it's not a speed thing, it's not going to have to that the splitter is going to work. So we'll try it, and we're going to get rid of those boxes there anyway. So bear with me, because I'm gonna come back to y'all in just a minute. I'm gonna try to move things and get things moved around and do all that fun stuff. And that splitter is causing it to be slow, so it's probably putting out a whole lot less. So I'm going to get back to y'all in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. What I ended up doing was splitting the two cameras, and everything is working. Wisecam is showing a flashing light, but I got a feeling that's because of camera I've got in here on the floor. Anyway, there it is. It's a wise cam. And I've got 10 of them, so it's probably not connecting with one of them. That's why it's flashing. And then my Eufys. Okay. And this is the doorbell. I know y'all can't see it very good on that, but. And this is the camera on the porch. I've got it blocked out because the neighbor takes her dog up and down the stairs and everything else, and it kept setting off the alarm or the camera constantly. So I blocked them out, which is okay because if anybody comes around and comes towards my place past that where the blockage is, it'll pick them up. Okay, let's see. Now to put the router over there and hide the cables and hide the router and get it above that light and hope that nothing crashes. But I might have to move some things. Anyway, we'll get back to you again in a minute or two. Okay, we are back. I have the cameras on the splitter and they work, and I have a laptop directly in. And I don't know if y'all can see this very good, but behind that fake plant is my router. And there are my stats from the router, which is Wi-Fi, 30.7 up and 14.4 down on Wi-Fi. That's not too bad, not too shabby either. So, and what I plan on doing is probably getting some more fake plants. So that it'll there we go. I mean, with everybody, what they do see is this pop mic, but that's what I've got going to my headset. With it out of the way, you don't even really see my router, which was my plan because I don't have any Star Wars stuff to stick by it. And since that is fake plants, they'll never go bad. I don't have to water them because water and electricity don't match. They don't do a good thing. but I may get something taller and more thick. But as it stands right now, everything's working perfect. I hope I gave you guys some ideas. And the router is still getting air from all sides, and it's still transmitting and receiving. So hey, it's doing its job. So anyway, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. And you better do it quick because the temperatures are starting to fall. And if you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. If you can't find that, find someone to snuggle up with. Okay? Y'all stay safe, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you got any other ideas for this project that I did, please let me know. And we will talk to y'all soon. Stay safe. Bye.